Today in Math Scholars, your goal is I do word problems with division. So when we have word problems, the first thing we must do is read our word problem. So let's begin with that. The Starline Express train can transport 765 people. There are 9 passenger cars that carry an equal number of people. How many people can each car carry? So I need to figure out what words tell me the operations that I should do. So I see equal number. So if I'm looking for an equal number, it generally means that I'm going to divide. And then there's this word each. And my question says, how many people can each car carry? So I can look and it says there are 765 people and there are 9 passenger cars. That's like having 9 little boxes that I need to put my 765 people into. And I want them equally distributed throughout. So that to me, with those numbers, I either need to do 765 divided by 9 or 9 divided by 765. Well, if I have 9 things, I do not know how to divide it by 765. So it must be this one. So that will be the division problem that we do. Now, because we are excellent mathematicians, we know that we should always start by writing, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers down? Then we need to set up our division problem. So 765 divided by 9. So if we start with our problem, we have 7 divided by 9. If I have 7 things, I know that I cannot make a group of 9. So I'm going to put a big old 0 right there. And then I'm going to move over. Now I have 76 divided by 9. So how many times can 9 go into 76 without going over? That is 8. So I divided. Now I need to multiply. 8 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Now I subtract. 76 minus 72 is 4. Check. Is 4 less than 9? It sure is. Then it is time to bring on down our 5. Now I have 45 divided by 9. And because I'm doing division, I'm on the D. So 9 goes into 45 5 times. Now I need to multiply. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract 45 minus 45 is a big old 0. Check. 0 is less than 9. Bring down. There is nothing left to bring down. So 85 is my answer. Because this is a word problem, I must make sure that I have a word in my answer. So this is 85, not bananas, but people in each car. And because that's my final answer, I need to circle it. So that helps show me that I am done. And when I have my words in my word problem answer, I know that I'm actually done. So a couple of things to notice. First, we read the problem and we identified the operation. Then we figured out the numbers that we needed to use. The third thing we did is we set up our problem and then we did our does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers. The fifth thing we did is we actually did the problem. And then to end number 6, we made sure that there were words attached to it. So this is a large process. So it's going to take a little time to get used to, but you as smart 5th graders can do it. Let's go through one more together. Liam needs to buy 648 eggs. If eggs come in cartons of 18, how many cartons of eggs does Liam need to get? So if I'm thinking about cartons, that means they come in packages and it's out of 18. So I need to figure out how many packages of 18 get me to 648. So that means I need to do 648 divided by 18. So again, because we are good mathematicians, we are going to write our does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers. And the first thing we're going to do is divide. Ooh, actually, I have a 2-digit number here. In order to know how to divide with that, I'm going to count down the side to make sure I have this right. So 18 plus 18 is 36, then 54, then 72, then 90, then 108. So I've counted down the side by 18, a few numbers, not all the way, but we'll see if I need a number bigger than 108. So we go back up here, 6 divided by 18. I do not have a number close to 6 without going over, so I need to put a big old 0 there. Now I move over, 64 divided by 18. Looking at my numbers, 54 is my closest number, and that's 1, 2, 3 times. So that was my divide and multiply. Now I need to subtract. 64 minus 54 is 10. Check. Is 10 less than 18? It is. Then I need to bring down my 8. Now my division problem is 108 divided by 18. If I look, I see 108 right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 18 is 108, as I found right here. 108 minus 108 is 0. Check. Is that less? It sure is. Then I need to bring down. There's nothing left to bring down. So my answer is 36. Now, because it's a word problem, I need to write 36 cartons and circle that answer. So these are just a few examples of what you will be doing. Today is all division word problems. So every single one you should be showing your division on. Good luck, scholars. I look forward to seeing your work.